Alright guys, got everything set up to finish the ceiling pine tongue and groove. Jenny's cleaning up here in the kitchen a little bit. I cut another 7 or 8 boards, stuck them right through the window there. So let's knock out the rest of the ceiling today.
All of my friends say, girl, you better take care, 'cause that man is trouble, you best beware. And though deep down I know I might be headed for teardrops, now that you got me started, I just can't stop. No, no, 'cause I love you, baby. I can't let you go, baby. I gotta tell you that I've been looking for a love so true. When I was down and out, along came you. Though you might be a liar and a cheat too, I just can't quit you now 'cause I love you. Yes, I do. I can't let you go, baby. I can't let you go, baby. 'Cause I love you, I love you, I love you. No, no, no.
Getting smaller up here, the pile, guys. It's good. And get that gable end on.
Oh yeah, I forgot to do all that too, so we'll use up a lot of that.
What do you guys think? Should we paint the stuff white at the gable end or leave it pine? We haven't decided yet, so let us know what you think. Right across right there. We're going to be doing that here in the next month or so. Should we leave it pine so it matches the ceiling? Should we paint it white so it matches the wall? Would it look weird if it's just left pine? Leave us a comment. Let us know. We're not designers at all. I like the white, but I also like the pine, so we're open to suggestions. So if you have a suggestion, leave it. Let's get back to tongue and groove. It's not in yet, but I'm sure you can do it once.
Good? Happy? Snappy crappy? What? Oh my goodness.
Dog is so needy lately.
Oh my goodness.
Why are you so needy?
He's excited. He knows we're gonna probably go outside and play for a little while now that we're done working. Are we done working yet? Can we go play?
What?
All right, guys.
Scout's just excited for us.
Yeah. Why are you excited? Why is he excited?
Cause we got the bedroom all tongue and grooved.
That's a big feat.
Yeah.
What did it take us? 2 days?
Mm-hmm.
1 full day and then 2 half days?
Mm-hmm. You guys want to see what's behind door number 1?
And behind door number 1, we have...
Nice and slow.
Ooh. Look at that. Spaciously covered with knotty pine, cabin grade knotty pine, tongue and groove. Scout's excited too because he knows when we're done working we can go play for a little bit.
I don't know, he's like so...
What do you think, guys? We started here in the last video and around here and did that back wall. And then yesterday and today we got that whole wall done. We got that little wall done so I could install some switches for the bathroom and the bedroom.
And then, I don't know how you'll show that, but
all of that. We obviously have to trim things out still, which we have to do the whole cabin.
we have to do
90% of
half
stuff.
the cabin is trimmed and half of it's not, so we got
We
the
got
whole bedroom plus half the cabin to do.
Yeah, my buddy Bob retired and went to Florida this winter now, so him and I aren't going to get to do trim together.
So you have to do it on your own.
Maybe you can come up in the springtime and help me if we don't get it done in the next couple months. So, anyway, guys, what do you think? You think we did a good job? Give us a thumbs up and woot woot maybe for a comment. And let us know if you like it. I love Pine Tongue Groove. Do you love it?
Yeah, it looks really good. And I will seal it in the next video. Get it all sealed up. That way we can get some lights on the wall.
Guys, Pine Tongue Groove is one of them things, and I don't know what the price comparison is to drywall or anything else, but for installation wise, I mean, I think it's the best and easiest, cleanest. Like, it doesn't make a huge mess. You don't have to dust and sand and clean up and mud and tape, and I don't know why anybody does drywall. If you want white, you should just paint Pine Tongue Groove white like this. I mean, it's like way better in my opinion, but drywall has its place. It looks nice, I guess, but it's so much work compared to this. So, and you still have to trim it out either way. So
got the tongue and groove done, so.
And guess what we're gonna work on tomorrow?
Gonna work on the bathroom, guys.
We're gonna get stuff on the walls on this tomorrow, but we're gonna go play with the puppies right now.
Mm-hmm.
So.
Because they're anxious.
So thanks for watching this video with us, guys. Thanks for hanging out with us during all these indoor projects. We're excited to get outside in a couple months.
Mm-hmm.
But we got a lot to do before winter's over.
Yep.
Maybe.
And be maple syrup tapping seasons too.
Yeah.
Did that soon. That maple syrup tapping season soon. That's a mouthful to say.
Maple time, maple syrup time.
It'll be soon. It's gonna be in March.
Yeah, so it's still a month away, a month and a half away. It's probably late March. It just depends on how the weather goes. So we're excited, guys. Thanks for hanging out with us during these videos. Keep an eye out for the video for the shower to get finished.
Mm-hmm. Make sure you like, subscribe. You can give us comments. What do you think?
Yeah. If you hate it, tell us and we'll giggle.
It's already done. It's our cabin.
All right, guys. Have a good one. Thanks a bunch. Best wishes.
Bye. All right, guys. The time is here. We are going to show you what we're going to do on the walls in the bathroom. We talked about it a little on the live. We're going to show you today. So Jason's headed outside to get it from this pole barn. So he's going to bring it in here. I'm so excited. It's going to be so beautiful, especially with the slate. So let's wait for Jason to bring it in.
Ta-da! All right, guys. I think this might be a love it or hate it thing. I think Jenny thinks everyone's going to love it, but watch out, Scout.
I'll stay on this side.
Scout, move!
I think everyone's gonna love it.
I think love it or hate it.
I think it's gonna look amazing.